If you're looking for that new car smell without that new car price on a sedan that gets nearly 40 miles to the gallon, you need to check this one out. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, and today I'd like to show you this 2025 Nissan Sentra SV, loaded with the premium package and the all-weather package. Around back, rear park assist sensors, rear bumper protector, backup camera. Really nice 17-inch alloy wheels with a great set of Michelins. More than enough room for your rear seat passengers. They also have the convenience of a USB port located in the back of the center console. I love the color. It's electric blue with tan leather interior. Tinted windows, color keyed door handles, color keyed mirror caps with LED turn signals. LED daytime running lights, forward collision sensor in the center of the grille. It's equipped with passive keyless entry, power moonroof, diamond stitched leather bucket seats, power seat, embroidered floor mats, really nice Bose sound system, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, blind spot monitor that also comes with rear cross traffic alert. Trunk release, automatic headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, you've got audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth, and intelligent cruise. Here's the best part. Only 1,300 well cared for, one owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Backup camera with that really nice around view monitor. Dual zone climate control, heated seats, driver and passenger, even a heated steering wheel. More USB ports, an auxiliary audio jack, 12-volt outlet, push button start, console shifter, keyless entry key fob including trunk release and remote start, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report, and those moonroof controls overhead. If you'd like to know more about this 2025 Nissan Sentra SV Premium, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.